Hey everyone, welcome back to Trout Takes, where we keep you in the loop on everything theme parks. Wanted to get a quick midweek parks update out to you guys and also share a little bit about some exciting things coming up in the near future on the channel here. So make sure you stick around to catch that. And now on with the park updates. Kicking off with some international news, the new Toy Story hotel at Tokyo Disney Resort just had its grand opening, and it truly cranks the theming up to an 11. Here's a look at one of the rooms, and the hotel actually has a story behind it. Andy decides to build a hotel in his backyard where toys could stay. However, Andy is called by his mom to leave for summer camp before the hotel is completed. So the toys have finished the hotel where, quote-unquote, honor toys from around the world can stay. The twist to the story is the guests who visit the hotel are the honor toys from all over the world. Ultimately, it's just another outstanding addition for the already amazing Tokyo Disney Resort, as most people who have visited would consider it the pinnacle of all Disney resorts. I know for sure it's on my bucket list of places to visit. Well, Japan is in general, because they have some awesome theme parks all over the country. But let me know down in the comments if any of you have ever been to Japan or any other foreign Disney parks for that matter, and how was your experience? Moving back over to Walt Disney World, as you may have heard earlier in the week, over at Epcot, the new Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind indoor roller coaster is set to open on Friday, May 27th. The coaster will be the largest indoor roller coaster in North America and will be the longest roller coaster in all of Florida, with a track length of 5,557 feet, beating out the current longest Florida coaster at 5,053 feet, which is Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure just across town over at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. Now, the real feather in the cap is that Cosmic Rewind is also the most expensive roller coaster in the entire world, costing an approximate $450 million. Again, beating out the previous $300 million record, also held by Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. That sounds like another good payday for Dutch coaster manufacturer Vekoma, who have previously worked with Disney on many different attractions, including Rock and Roller Coaster featuring Aerosmith over at Hollywood Studios, Expedition Everest at Animal Kingdom, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and the upcoming Tron coaster, both at Magic Kingdom. And as you'd imagine, Epcot will be jam-packed on opening day, and to no surprise, all the annual pass holder park reservations for the day are already completely booked. There will, however, still be annual pass holder previews held before May 27th, with dates yet to be announced, although there will be a D23 Gold member preview event held on May 15th. And we're almost to the end of the video here, guys, so if you made it this far and are enjoying the video, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, as it all helps with the YouTube algorithm and allows this content the ability to reach a larger audience. Thanks in advance, guys, and now for the rest of the news. Over at Magic Kingdom, guests were evacuated off of Splash Mountain due to a sinking log incident. A TikTok video of the incident surfaced this week, showing park guests and the log partially submerged in water, with the log's final row completely full of water. Other logs are stopped in front of and behind the submerged log. According to comments, this incident happened last Monday, March 28th, and isn't the first time they've had this issue on the ride. Lastly, real quick before we go, I wanted to give you some channel news that I'm pretty pumped about. Over the next few weeks, I'll be adding in some actual in-park vlogs into the mix from a few different theme parks, and even though this is a theme park focused channel, I may just throw in a Detroit Tigers game vlog, since we'll be going to the game this Sunday on opening weekend for baseball. So if you haven't noticed, I've worn their same hat in every video so far, so it loosely ties in with the channel, right? Anyway, make sure to be on the lookout for all the upcoming fun over the next few weeks, guys, and that's going to do it for today. If you enjoyed the video and haven't already, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more theme park news, tips, tricks, and adventures. I've been Mike with Trout Takes, and we'll see you guys soon.